So in today's video, we are going to make this After Effects tutorial, and this is a composition settings we are going to use. So we are going to start by creating a new solidly layer. So create a new solidly layer and name it BG. After apply gradient ramp to the solidly layer. Make the ramp shape to radial ramp and click on swipe color. Adjust the start and end color like this. Use any color you want to the end color, but the start color make it black. And another thing, you have to make the start color to occupy more space. After, bring the type tool and type any letter you want. After, place S and scale the letter. After, bring wiggle and drop it to the letter. Make the wiggle speed to 25.0. Wiggle amount 6.1. After that, fast hide our letter. So no, make the stroke none and fill to white. After, draw this shape. After, apply wave warp to the shape. So make the wiggle width 106 and click on its clock watch. Move at this distance and make it 629, because we need it flat. After, select all the keyframes in Easy Ease. If you don't see the keyframes you place, they will come. and make sure you are on the speed graph. So fast, hide our shape and we animate the letter. So click on the letter and bring in the mask. So place the mask at this point of the letter and after click on its keyframe. Move at this distance and drag the mask to complete the letter. So that is our animation. After hide our shape layer and place R and rotate the shape to this angle. So, position the shape at any point you want. Remember how we animated the E letter? Use that same knowledge to animate the wave layer, but fast pre-compose it. So increase the shape layer to be in the same size of the letter. So it's like this, you pre-compose the wave layer and name it what you want. After select on that pre-composed layer and bring any mask you want. Place the mask where you want the animation to start and to end. At this point, click on the mask path. Move at this point and drag the shape inside the letter. So the animation here is done so to complete other letters. You can pre-compose both the shape and the letter, and after go in the project and place Ctrl D and duplicate that shape and letter comp after you change the text. Do it until you complete all the letters you want to use. So if you're done, you have to be at this point. So no, pre-compose all our letters and apply 4-color gradient. After on the colors, you can use any color you want. After apply glow to our work and adjust glow like this.